Selamünaleyküm ve rahmetullahi ve berekatuhu. Welcome to OZER Projects YouTube Real Estate channel. I am Hakan OZER and
myself Yasir Shafiq.
today we are in Kocaeli at Başiskele in Yeniköy region, and we would like to introduce brand new and one of the newest and one of the most luxury apartment project of the region for you today, brother Yasir.
Yeah.
What do you think about the region?
This region is really beautiful because you have panoramic sea view and also like a clear mountain view on your backside.
Yes, definitely. Yeah. I hope that you enjoy with the drone shots. And let me summarize the specification of the project. Brother, it is such a big apartment project.
Yeah.
We have almost 18,000 square meters project area. On this 18,000 square meters project area, there are 16 blocks and 148 apartments are available. And there are two kinds of properties are available basically. Garden duplexes and roof duplexes.
Just two kind.
Variations are changing. Yani size of the properties are changing. Starting from the smallest one is 2+1, which is containing 150 square meters. Even it's 2+1, such a big properties according to 2+1.
Yeah.
Up to 4+1, which are including 210 square meters.
Wow.
And also there are 3+1s are available. I will put the details of the size and prices on the description section. Please check it out.
Yeah.
Today, as a sample, we are gonna have a look 4 rooms plus 1 living room as a garden duplex.
Garden duplex, okay.
Yeah, garden duplex.
So there are no regular flats in this project. Only
duplexes.
Only duplexes.
Only duplexes, and each block contains elevator inside it.
Wow.
Yeah,
okay.
And before getting inside the sample property, let me tell you what kind of social abilities, activities available inside the compound. Outdoor swimming pool, two kind of. One of them is adult, one of them is for the children playground area, and sport facilities like basketball court is also available. And of course, I don't need to say about that, rent-a-clock security is available.
Wow.
And as a location, we are just 15 minutes far away from here to city center. And brother, one of the most importance, one of the biggest importance of this project, you know, such a in Kocaeli, between the brand new construction projects, to find property with installment and with the sea view is really hard.
Yeah.
This is the one of the good sample for that issue, and you can show the basically the line. You can show the sea view and you can show the situation of the construction. This is still under construction, and whole project is gonna be ready to hand over at the end of this year. What does it mean? It means installment payment is available. Basically, it is the company is charging the 30% is down payment. Rest of them can divide till at the end of this year. So I think I talked so much. So let's discover the sample property together. So brother, we are gonna have a look at sample garden duplex.
Yeah.
You can ask me about the view. Upper blocks has much more view. This garden duplex unfortunately doesn't has the view. But we want.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt. In the drone shots, you can see the view. The upper blocks have more view, panoramic view.
Yeah. Why we choose that property? Because finishing rate is higher than the other properties, so that we want to mention about what kind of materials were used inside the property. So let's discover that garden duplex, which is including 210 square meters grocery inside it, together. Bismillah. Okay, this is the entrance section. Most probably construction company is gonna put the cabinets for cabinets for the shoes and dressings. And when you reach this section, there is a regular room section is available. At least one room should be located on the ground floor, and we can see that one room is located on ground floor. Under the upstairs sections were used as a WC, just WC. Right over here, there is no bathroom, and there is no shower cabinet. And when we reach this section, nice quality, high quality kitchen cabinets and kitchen section is welcoming us. I think these, yes, Blom and braking system is available. When I look to lighting system, Classical and LED lighting systems are available, and you can reach your garden from kitchen too. There is a door, and when I continue my tour, right over here, living room section is welcoming us. Again, classical and LED lighting systems are available. You can reach your own garden from living room too. This is on the corner garden of this property, like a L style. Yani shape of the garden is like L style. So when we continue our tour, we are gonna have a look at the first floor. This is the entrance floor and ground floor. Now we are going to the first floor. Yes, when we reach the first floor, there are 1, 2, 3 more rooms and 1 common bathrooms are welcoming us. Here is the common bathroom section. I really wondered what type. Yes, ceramics looks so cool. It's such a modern design, modern type of material, and I want the the door is also heavy, not so light, heavy. And when I reach this section, there is one more room is welcome, because this is the room for kids. Right over here, there is just classical lighting system were used inside this room, and this is the another room for kids. And also this room has the balcony. From that angle it has a little bit sea view, not that much clear. And when I continue my tour, right over here there is master room. There are totally 2 bathrooms, 3 WCs are available. And here is even the 2 rooms plus 1 living rooms has the 2 bathrooms inside it. And when I look the size of the master room, it is really big. It's so spacious and really big. Here is the bathroom section of the master room, and also there is one more balcony is available over here. So this is such a interior situation of this property, and as I mentioned before, the whole project will be delivery handover time of this project is end of this year in 2021, and it means installment payment method is available. So let's go to the outside to finalizing.
Okay guys, I really hope you like this video and this house. We have explained everything in a detail, but still if you have any questions you can ask in the comment section, and for more details please read the video description and you can contact Mr. Hakan.
So my mobile and WhatsApp number is 00905322078634.
Don't forget to like our video, and if you haven't subscribed our channels, please subscribe OZR Projects and Shore Vlogs. We are your best friends regarding properties.
Thanks for watching, and fi aman Allah.